Hello everyone, Jana is here, and it's been a while since last time I made a video with my trading results, and finally I found some time to do so, guys. So first of all, of course, the warning that trading Forex is a very high risk, and you can not only make money, but you can also lose. So before you are going to make any decision, if you want to continue with trading or watching this video, then you need to have a financial advice from the specialist or professional, and everything I show here for you guys is the only what I am sharing with you, my experience. So everything else, all the profits or losses you're gonna make is at your own risk and your own responsibility. Okay, so I don't have carry on any responsibilities for whatever is going to happen to your accounts. Okay, so this is only with educational purposes, for educational purposes. So just a little bit of warning you guys about it, and now we can continue. I've been showing you a little bit of the trading on my account, and it's been started with $10,000 end of February, and now it's beginning of June, and it's 93% profit on my account now. So yes, it was just a little bit. I was hoping I could make 100%, double the account in 3 months, but unfortunately I had like 2 weeks I couldn't trade manually, and I was relying pretty much on the EA. You know my strategy. I have been placing some orders, pending orders, then I was using my EA, and wherever I could afterwards I was using also my strategy, which I described in my book. Okay, the 1 minute golden scalper trading, and that's what I've been using on this account. Okay, so for all this time, and I want to show you again the account history, where you can see where I started from 19th of February. It's only been a few trades in February, really. I would say properly started in trading in, you see, March, April, May. There's quite a lot of still in March. This is April, May, yeah, and a bit of a June. Okay, so, and it's been 9,300. So I have been trying, of course, to do more of the automatic trading, and we've keep an eye on it, and from time to time placing the orders, like I was saying, and of course using the new strategy. And I was posting on my Telegram some of the signals as usual, which I used to do before a lot, but like I'm saying, now the gold moves a little bit more volatile, and I can't do every opening of the markets. I can't do all the time those signals like I used to do every single day. And for me it's midnight, right? And UK time it's 11, and that's why I haven't been posting too many signals from time to time like I used to. And I was also streaming, but streaming testing some settings with my EA. So what I'm going to do next, guys, so this is what I wanted to show you, right? This is the account where I'm mixing those three strategies, that my EA, fully automatic, then placing the orders, and also the new 1 minute manual strategy, right? So I wanted to show you a little bit. For example, if you would have been using my new strategy and placing your own orders, like I'm saying, I can't do it all the time. I have been looking through those last 3 weeks I didn't make the videos, so it's May, end of May, and a bit of a June. This is not really in a particular order here, but these are few trades. I just had a quick view on charts, and I could pick up for you guys, so you could see where you could go for all those trades, and they were all profitable. I think I counted like 23 at least through this time, but it was more than that. But you know, I just can't really make pictures of every one of them. I was hoping that I could do, but unfortunately it's not always possible for me to do so. So it's still going. You see more, and well, this is the results I'm showing on FX Blue that I wanted to show you also. that this is the proof of my account. Just a moment, I'm trying to find where it is. There we go, guys. This is the, as you can see, it's exactly the same balance, 19,324, and total return 93%. So just a little bit, and would be doubled in 109 days. Okay, so roughly 3 months. I have a little bit of the drawdown here. It was, remember, first time I was showing it was about 5%, but this was a little bit of more of the trading with, like I'm saying, automatic, and gone a little bit more on 22%. But still okay. When you're trading, like that's what I'm saying, the risk with the EA, the automatic auto system I'm using, is that it's averaging and martingale when it's recovering the losing trades, you see. Because I wasn't able to watch all the time my screen, or as often as I wish I could. I was telling you before that really to use the EA, you need to keep an eye on it and see when it goes into some like longer consolidations and I had few attempts. It's better to stop it and then switch on at some moments when a big move's happening. Well, some movements, you know, now big moves happens like with the open of a US session or during the US session is quite good moves, right? And of course the news events. So that's why when I couldn't do it, still I was still running the EA, and it's gone, of course, on its own, and it was not watched properly. But anyway, still done quite well. But like I'm saying, guys, with the other strategy, that my golden scalper strategy, which is book, is available, you can go to Patreon and you can get either my EA, also mix it, and also the book. Okay, so this is really good mix with the manual trading. If you can do watch the screen, I'm telling you, it's a really good strategy. I know that some might say it's a little bit complicated, but when you get used to it, you understand that it's really profitable. It's a really nice one, okay? But like I'm saying, guys, it's the past results might not be the same as in the future results, but you really need to get into it, okay, to see what I see and how I could get, you see, these results, okay, which I'm showing and sharing with you. I wish I could do a little bit more of trading. I'm not sure, because like I'm saying, I'm getting really tired sitting by the screen, and that's why it's mostly for those of you who is really serious about trading. That's why I think that the manual one, the one my 1 minute golden scalper, is one of the really good strategies. Okay, so if you really wanna do it manually and watching you have the opportunity to watch the screen, okay? And I'm trying to still get a little bit more in automating things. I have a little bit of another possible EA, which is some ideas again of my programmer, and I'm going to do it on my other channel streaming. I'm not sure if I'll start this week. I want to open a cent account, and I'll probably put about 1,000 in there, which would be 100,000, because he sent me the EA and I have been testing it, and last year it's shown like really great results, okay? But it needs a big account, so basically it needs 100,000, and I can't put 100,000, but in a cent account it would be perfect, okay? So, well, it's made in few months, it's like made 300%, which was really good. So that's why I was thinking maybe I will try on the cent account, because I have been doing some different testings there. Of course, you can change the settings for more aggressive, less aggressive, and drawdown is more, but it didn't blow with all the settings I was trying to do. Of course, with the more aggressive was better result, but drawdown was like 40% of the account of the 100,000, and then with the less aggressive it was like about 14%. And that's why I want to still to do a little bit more tests, back tests. Well, not whatever, test on MT5. It's quite accurate, as it says 100% accuracy on it, so it's going to be on MT5. And I want to try to test maybe a couple of years, because you know the previous years, of course, the market was a bit different, and it became like so volatile this year, starting from the last year, the end, and this year it's extremely volatile, and it's been working well. So I want to do a little bit more testing back in years to see how it was, because you know the market conditions changes. And as I'm saying, okay, based on last year, this year, I mean, so I started in December, it was showing this good result. Going through this year, it's one thing, but what if the condition will change and the market will not be as aggressive? Then I need to know what to expect. So I will do a little bit more tests, but it looks very promising. And also, guys, I already started another one, which I will try to share with you, hopefully, fingers crossed. Also, some other guys, they contacted me, and I'm like getting it from time to time quite well. I used to get a lot of people contacting me with their EAs, with their strategies, and this one is got a bit of interest again, as they were showing like really good results. And I have put sent account also, which I'm going to move money from. So I have at this moment I put it at about well, I'm going to show you in a minute, guys. So right here, so I put like 4,986 because it's a cent account, so it's nearly 5,000, okay, dollars, which is 491,000, because they said obviously the bigger account, the better result would be, less opportunity to blow it. You know, if any year, like I saying, okay, you switch it on, you forget about it, and you should make profit. Okay, so of course, like I'm saying, I don't trust the EAs as much when you don't keep an eye on them, and that's why they say, well, if you have that big account, it should be okay, but it's not going to be as aggressive. So I said I don't want the settings which will blow the whole account, so give me the settings which are not going to be as risky. So, but I'm thinking from actually this account, I'm going to take that 1,000 to test this other EA which my programmer offered me to do, and so this is going to be 100,000 left, 100,000 less next time we will see it. So I'm just telling you now, but at this moment, so that's what I just had this money on my cent account there, and I thought I'll just like put everything out there, and it's only when I put it on 3rd of June. Okay, so 3rd of June it made the first trade. Yeah, was it first trade? Yes, and it's in like what, couple of days. I don't want that. What is like in few days? Okay. Well, okay. Let's see again. How many? It started. The first trade was on. Well, let's say. Well, on the 4th. Is it? It started open 3rd. Well, okay. 4th. We have 4, 5th, 6, 3 days. No, 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. Yeah. So in 2 days. Yeah, basically in 2 days. It's 5th, not 6. I'm looking at this like an American, but no. So yeah, it's made 5,500. Well, it's $50 it's made. So in cents, right? Is what it is. Yes, because it's 5,500. Because obviously he has a bigger lot, but it's a cent account. So and now it's 497. Okay, so instead of whatever it was 491 something. And like I'm saying, but next time I'm going to move that 1,000 and start using the other one, the other EA. But this one looks really promising, so it's made even in cent account. Let's see how much it's going to make, and I will try to share with you the results. Okay, hopefully it's not going to blow this money. Okay, because I didn't test it on a demo account. Usually I like to test it on a demo account, but the guys showed me the real results again, and I say it looks really good. So I'm going to show you the results. So that's mine. So here they have one account. They had short period 68 days, and they put like what, 10,000, and well, around 10 or something like closed profit 15,000. Yeah, and no, it's not, isn't it? Oof, they put 1,000 in it. Yeah, okay, this is really good. Look, they put 1,000 in it, and it's made. So look, it's made 1,581%. Yes, guys. So that's incredible, and yeah, in 68 days. Because they showed me two, and as usual, I'm not really paying attention as much. So this is another one, which is 299 days, and it's 255%. So yeah, that's what I was first thinking about it. It was this one was 10,000. Yeah, so because it's 25 profit, so now it's 35. And this one, as they said, is not was, I think, less risky, okay, not as aggressive. And look at the drawdown, it's only 5%, which is really good. And the other one and the other drawdown is also only 5%, but they said that was a bit more aggressive. You see, from the 1,000 to 1,000%, this is like extremely well. It did extremely well, but I don't want mine to be that aggressive. That's why I said I want a bit more safer trading. And I asked them to give me the settings with lower risk. Okay, I know even with such a big account I have, so they obviously were putting 1,000 and risking, and still 5%, which is very nice. And but I still wanted a little bit less risky settings in mine. And that's what I'm going to do. I will try to share with you guys the next results of trading. Okay, so we will see how it's going to progress. I mean, especially I'm quite interested in the EA settings, the EA strategies, and hopefully they will work well, because I do really want to do less manual trading, like I'm saying, except my manual strategy is so good. That's how I was trading very well previously, but I'm just like really not able to watch the screen all the time. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Of course, I wish I could do everyday updates, or at least every week. Hopefully I will be able to, but like I'm saying, I'm going to put the stream on my other channel, which is my Russian speaking channel, which is Jana Forex. I will also update through the Telegram, so I will send links when I start the stream. And I think on this one I will continue streaming the normal account, where I'm actually placing the orders, and to try the other settings. So maybe I will do the other one. I don't know, we will see. But at this moment, yes, I'm streaming the one where, because sometimes I'm also placing my pending orders and some other settings I was checking out there with my EA. So that's the one from I'm sending the signals to the Telegram, also my Telegram channel, which is the only one in their official, the Jana FX, just Jana FX. Okay, and you can also join. It's absolutely free, but like I'm saying, if you're interested, well, we will see how it goes with the other EAs, and maybe I will do another package or so, and we'll share it with you guys again for Patreons. But we will see how the things will go, especially we are going into this a little bit season, the summer, and June, July, August is usually quite slow with some volatility, but you know, it's this year is slightly different to the previous years, so we will see how all this trading will go. And that's it for now. I wish you all happy trading. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you next time in my new video with updates. Bye everyone.